Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the home page on the top left corner of the screen you can choose the country that you would like to send money to. On Remitly there is quite a large amount of countries that you can send money to, so hopefully you will find the one that you would like to send to. Then when you choose the country you just have to tap on get started. And you have to add a new recipient. If this is the first time you are sending money using Remitly, then you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you are going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the currency of the recipient country, which is France in this case. Then tap on continue to choose the delivery methods. So there are different delivery methods available for different countries. For France, we have bank deposit or cash pickup. So just choose the one that you prefer. If you choose bank deposit, you can see some of the most popular banks in the recipient country. But if you don't find the one that you would like to use, just tap on choose another bank to see all the available banks in the recipient country. Now, when you choose a bank, you just have to type in the IBAN code of your recipient. Now, this is a very important part, to type in the correct IBAN code. Obviously, I'm just using a fictional code here, so I can show you the steps. Then you have to add the first name and the last name of your recipient. Then tap on continue again. Then you can also add the phone number of your recipient, but you can also skip this step if you don't want to. Then you have to add the reason for sending. Now, this step is not obligatory for every country. It depends. As I have seen, for like 75% of the cases, you don't need this step. You don't have to add the reason of sending, but for France, you have to. Then tap on continue. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, so the Remitly app can charge you for the amount and the recipient is going to receive it in the form of a bank transfer. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.